Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the audio is clean and matched to your session settings. This prevents artifacts during splitting. Once done, create a backup region so you can revert quickly and set Logic's file tempo and sample rate to the source. Next, select the region and open the stem splitter plugin on an instance track. You're starting the process now because plugin analysis is faster with a single clip and exact session settings, which also keeps phase and timing intact. You'll now dial the plugin for practical separation. Pick a preset that matches the dominant source, then tweak sensitivity to increase separation or reduce artifacts. Make sure to adjust bleed and band filters to control how much ambience or reverb follows the isolated stem. This is why isolation often needs balancing, not maxing out. Once configured, use the A/B compare and solo pads to listen for phase issues and refine parameters until each stem is clear, while keeping natural tone and timing. Finish by routing each stem splitter output to its own track and set export levels. Bounce stems one by one or as a batch with consistent bit depth. You should apply minimal corrective EQ or de-essing before export to avoid baking artifacts into files. If you encounter ringing, phasing, or warbling, lower sensitivity, enable offline denoise, or rerun using multi-track stems instead of a stereo mix. This troubleshooting step preserves quality while showing why.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.